Hey, what is up guys? Welcome back to another Java tutorial. And in this tutorial, we are going to be covering temporal adjusters. Now, what are temporal adjusters and why are they useful? Well, temporal adjusters are good for, say, if you want to get the first day of the month or the first day of the year, and you can also even use them to get future dates, like what the date for, say, next Monday or next Friday is. That kind of stuff. So that way, like if you're creating an appointment application, for example, you can go and utilize that to calculate those future dates. Pretty cool, I would say. So you don't have to use like the plus or minus methods for those particular tasks, even though you can. But why would you want to use those when you have the temporal adjusters to make it so much easier? Right? So how do we use these? Well, first things first is we are going to create a date. So in this case, I'm going to say local date date, set it equal to local date dot now. Just like that. Right? So we have what the date is currently. And then we want to create a local date that represents the date of let's say today's Monday, so we'll say whatever the date is next Monday. Local date next Monday is equal to local date dot, well, not even local date dot, but date dot. Now, what method do we use here? Is there some kind of like next whatever method? Not necessarily. We need to call the from I believe it is. Let me double check my notes here. Again, good idea to write down everything that you need. It is the with method. I'm sorry. With. And we can see we have a bunch of different options here. You can say with day of year, with month, with year, with day of month, that kind of stuff. But we're just looking for the with. Just normal width, and it will only have a temporal adjuster in it. So now we pass it temporal adjusters dot temporal adjusters dot, and then we have a bunch of different options here that we can use. You can say day of week in month, first day of month, first day of next month, first day of next year, first day of year, first in month, last day of month, all these sorts of things. But we are looking for next, and we're looking for the next method that takes in a day of the week, just a day of the week, this one here. And in this case, we're going to go day of week dot, and then we want whatever next Monday is. So with that, let's go ahead And we can go ahead then and system out dot print f. And we'll say %d, well, current date, %d, copy that, boom, and boom. We'll say date dot get month value, the date dot get day of month, and then date dot get year. And now we're gonna get whatever the date for next Monday is. Next Monday is going to be next Monday dot get month value, next Monday dot get day of week, or day of month I should say, not day of week. And then next Monday dot get day, or not even get day, get year. Boom. Like that. And so, with that, it looks like we're still getting an error somewhere. And so we're gonna see what that error is. It says the method print line. Oh, we called print line. We didn't do print f. That's why it's giving me problems. Okay. Print f. Okay. And just at the end of the first one here, we'll put a new line in there. All right. So, once that's done, we can go ahead and save it and run it like so. And the current date is 3/8/2021, so it's March 8th, 2021. And then next Monday is going to be the 15th of March of 2021. Now, if you don't believe me, I have my iPhone here, and we can ask Siri. Hey Siri, what is the date of? Oh, I almost forgot. I'm wearing my AirPods, so the Bluetooth is connected to it. Okay. Hey Siri, what is the date for next Monday?
One sec. It's Monday, March 15th, 2021.
So there you go. If you didn't believe me, if you didn't believe your own computer, well, if you didn't believe your own computer, if you don't believe your own computer, go ahead and ask your phone, or you can go into your computer's calendar and look for yourself. That works too. So that basically does it for how you use temporal adjusters. Kind of go and experiment a little bit. You can chain these together to see what the next Monday after next Monday is. You can do all kinds of stuff with it. So just experiment a little bit, and you'll learn just how the stuff works. Read the documentation, all that stuff. So thank you all so very much for watching, and we will see you all in the next one. See ya.